Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alaikum and welcome to Star Academy. Dear learners, in this video lesson, you will learn about grammar translation method. The three main topics which we will discuss in this video lesson are focus of grammar translation method, procedure and activities, principles of grammar translation method. The grammar translation method instructs students in grammar and provides vocabulary with direct translations to memorize. The grammar translation method is derived from traditional approaches to the teaching of Latin and Greek, and it was the predominant method in Europe in the 19th century. It was rather widespread for learning foreign languages, though by the end of the century, moves towards the direct method were noticed. The grammar translation method focuses on the teaching of the foreign language grammar. Translation is considered to be the most important classroom activity. The main procedure of an ordinary lesson follows this plan: a presentation of a grammatical rule followed by a list of vocabulary and finally translation exercises from selected text. Other activities and procedures can be the following: answering comprehension question on the text. Students find antonyms and synonyms. Vocabulary is selected from reading text and memorized. Sentences are formed using new words. Fill in the blank exercises. Writing compositions on the topic. Principles of grammar translation method. It emphasizes the study and translation of the written language as it is considered superior to spoken language. Reading and writing are the main language skills. The student's native language is the medium of instruction and used as well to compare with the language studied. The structural patterns of two languages are compared, and this comparison makes learning more clear and firm. The fundamental principle of proceeding from known to unknown is followed throughout. Successful learners are those who translate each language into the other, though they cannot communicate orally. Students have to know verb conjugations and other grammatical paradigms. The knowledge of rules helps the learner to avoid any type of mistakes. Teachers play an authoritarian role in the classroom, and the predominant interaction is between teacher-student. In the next video lesson, we will discuss advantages and disadvantages of grammar translation method.